Hello all. So let's do a few questions today based upon the distance formula that we have learned in coordinate geometry. So the first question that we are able to see on the screen, it is that find a point on y-axis which is equidistant from 2 points, 5 comma minus 2, let's say 5 comma minus 2 this point. And there's another point called minus 3 comma 2. And we have to find a point on y-axis. So can you tell me what is the meaning of point on the y-axis? Will any of the coordinate be 0? So let's say this is x and y axis. When I say y axis, this is the line we are talking about. So can you please tell me like what is the meaning of this? The x coordinate will be how much? So y coordinate can be anything, right? It can lie anywhere here. But what will be the x coordinate? Since we are not moving in this direction, we are not moving in this direction. So x will be 0. So let's say 0 comma y is the point. And it is saying this is equidistant from both the points. So we'll just apply the distance formula here. This is simple. So can you tell me what is the distance formula? So d equals to t square equals to x2 minus x1 का square plus y2 minus y1 का square. So मुझे यही फॉर्मूला लगाना है a और लेट्स से ए बी ए सी के बीच में और फिर बी सी के बीच में. ओके. और उन दोनों को इक्वेट कर सकता हूं बिकॉज दोज आर इक्वल. ओके. और वन मोर थिंग आई कैन डू. या ओके, लेट्स डू दिस ओनली. Okay, so distance between A and C, that is 5 minus 0 square plus minus 2 minus y square equals to 0 minus minus 3 square plus y minus 2 square. Okay, so this is what we have, and we are going to find the value of y using this. So 5 minus 0 becomes, yeah, sorry. So 5 minus 0 becomes 5, which is 5 square is 25, plus this is 2. I can say plus because this is all minus, right? This will get cancelled. And उसका स्क्वायर करेंगे माइनस कॉमन लेके तो हट जाएगा. So I can say 2 plus 5. So this becomes 4 plus y square plus 2 into 2 is 4y. Again, it will be 0 plus 3. So 3 square is anyway 9. Here, it will become y square plus 4 minus 2 into 2 is 4 minus 4y. So here it is minus, so we'll have to take minus 4y. Now if you see one thing here, y square will get cancelled. 4 is also getting cancelled. Now I can bring this 4 this side. So it becomes 8y equals to 9 minus 25, which becomes 16 minus 16, and y becomes minus 2. So C becomes 0 comma minus 2, where we'll have this point equidistance from both A and B. Okay, this one is clear. We'll move to next question. Okay, yeah, the second question here is that the coordinates of the center of a circle are 2a and a minus 7, and we have to find the value of a. The circle passes through the point 11 comma minus 9. So this is, let's say, 11 comma minus 9, and we know the diameter is 10 root 2. So how much will the radius become? So radius will be half of diameter. So that will be 5 root 2, right? So I think this is also simple question only. You can do it on your own as well. So we are going to find a distance between O and A and equate it to 5 root 2. So distance formula again, can you please tell me what it is? D is x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So D here is 5 root 2, which is the radius. X2 is 2a minus 11 square plus a minus 7 minus of minus 9 square. And if I want to remove the square root, I'll square this d as well. So it will become 5 5 is 25, 25 to the 50. So it will become 50. And on the right side, I'll have 4a square plus 121 minus 2244 minus 44a plus, so this will become a minus 7 plus 9 is a plus 2. So it becomes a square plus 4 plus 4a. So this becomes 4a square plus a square becomes 5a square, minus 44a and plus 4a becomes minus 40a plus 121 equals to 50. And if I solve it further, it becomes 5a square. Oh, and I had 4 as well here. So it becomes 125. And if I subtract 50 from here, if I bring it to the left side, becomes 75 equals to 0. And I'll take 5 common. It becomes a square minus 8a plus 50 times 75, 0. And the factors of this will become a square minus 5a minus 3a plus 15 equals to 0. So therefore the factors are a minus 5 and a minus 3 equals to 0. So a becomes 3 or 5. So therefore there can be two values of a here. But yeah, a can have two values here, 3 comma 5. 3 or 5. Hope it's clear as well. I'll go to next question. So we have two coordinates, two vertices of triangle which are available, minus 4 comma 0 and 4 comma 0. And we have to find the third vertices. This point we have to find A, B and C are given. So since minus 4 and 4 are coming to the, I mean, these are on the x-axis if you see. And so what is the middle point? Can you tell me what is the middle point of this base? It will be minus 4 plus 4 by 2, which will be 0. And again, y is anyway 0. So I can say that this is y-axis, right? So, and we have to find the coordinates of A. Now, I know the coordinates, for the coordinates of A, x will be 0 because it's lying on the y-axis. All I need to find is the y value of this. So if I find the distance of BC distance is minus 4 square plus 0 square, which becomes 8 square and its root, sorry. So it becomes 8. Now, if I see distance of AB, which becomes 0 minus 4 square plus y minus 0 square, which becomes 4 square plus y square. And since it's a equilateral triangle, we'll have AB equals to BC. So therefore, I can say this is 8 square. Or yeah, 8 square actually. So therefore, y square becomes 8 square minus 4 square. So that is 64 minus 16, which becomes 48. Therefore, y becomes 4 root 3. Hope you understood the video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.